Hopefully my bet on the football comes through. That's the only thing that can save me now. A load of purples there would be really nice. 1 over, like come on. Nothing can really hit. Come on, man. Get me in, ace up. Always drops 1, it hasn't dropped 2 once yet. Greens, reds. Of course, bro. You really wanna do it? Fucking hell, that's a lot of top symbol.
What?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, mate. Any good news?
Nope, not yet. What? I don't know what will save it. Like, I don't know. Drop 2 if I'm lucky. What's your name? Raud. I think I'm just gonna fucking. I think I'm just gonna stay on Sugar Rush and just blast for his last 30, to be honest. Just see if I get lucky. By the way, that colour is so bad. The red is really dark, so I can't even read your name.
It's not even red, it's green.
It's red for me.
Oh, it's green for me.
Why is it on that?
Purple,
jelly beans, anything? No. Drop 1, please. So I just had to. Drop 1. You have the second chance. Drop 1. Yeah, I might road. It depends.
Yo.
Yeah, literally same block. I want to see this go crazy.
Have you hit anything?
Nope. I've had to re-deeper. I've deepered 150 now.
Oh my god. Are you still
Wait. Oh my god, orange hearts, please, right here. Oh no. That could be oranges. No oranges. No, bro. Why is it always do one big hit, bro?
Orange. No, bro. What?
Why does it only do one thing?
Are you up in total today?
I'm probably break even now because I've re-depoted my fucking winnings.
Facing your loss.
No, not really, mate. It's just good stream content. I've had really good viewers, and that guy gifted 10, so it's like fuck it. Yeah, Blotter, what's it? My best win on this, right, is a base game. It's crazy. The base game can fucking go differently. Well. Orange hearts right here, and that's really good. No, like it stops like.
I think mine's the base game you saw, Fraser.
Yeah, probably. On this it's not a base game for me, but on thingy it is. This was a buy-in. That's my best buy-in on here. 1 jewel bits I got. Green set, that's nice. Nothing else though. Reds maybe. Oh. Nice, that's what we love to fucking see. This is the max win. Come on, please, bro.
Fraser.
Retrig me, yeah.
Fraser, retrig first fucking spin.
Oh, don't catch what it was then. Oh, don't do this, man.
Don't count out. Don't count out. Don't count out till the end, mate.
Innit?
Do not count out till the end. We did this with me, mate, and it was crazy.
Please.
Give me that mindset, Fraser.
Greens has to be greens on this shit. Okay, that
Nice.
Oranges,
oranges,
red,
or jelly
red.
beans, or jelly beans.
Or jelly bean.
No,
It's fine, it's fine.
It's
Start on
fine,
the build,
it's
start on the build. Don't fucking fast spin them, bro.
okay, I won't. Need a retrig to save it. You just
Nice.
need a retrig.
Don't, you
Purples,
just need some crazy connections.
purples, or top symbol. Otherwise, it's shit.
You just need a multi to build, then you need something huge on the multi. That's all you need.
That's nice.
Like that,
No, it's
Reds
not good
now.
enough though. Reds.
No, but look at the multis, bro. You got 60.
Yeah, but it's at the top. Like that. If that connected the greens, that would have been nice. Greens. Top symbol up here, maybe like here. Like,
Hey, that's so.
Oh.
gross.
Greens, 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 greens.
oh yes, that's
my
it.
God, Fraser!
Let's fucking go. The last spin. Come on. That's what we love to see.
Bro, we're telling you, the last spin.
That could have
always
been
saved.
huge, though, bro. If that was up on the
That's what we
fucking
love to see.
16x.
Rolled, mate. Say that one more time and you're banned instantly. Because I do
Mate,
not.
if that was on the fucking 16x, that'd have been huge, you know.
Because rolled, mate, that banter from you is terrible. You're American, aren't you?
Hey, not even banner.
I don't like that.
Bottle of water, ha ha ha.
Oh,
Gun
what's it
control, ha ha.
fuck it out.
Let's not go there, right?
No, I can take a joke, yeah, but like when
That's
America,
just dead banner. isn't
yeah,
it?
it's just not funny. Like you could literally say the most horrible thing to
funny.
me as if it's a joke, but that's just the worst banner. You could say like my nan's got diabetes or something, mate.
So fucked
You know.
up. It's got odd
And I
sugar
wouldn't
levels,
care.
mate.
Okay, right, you're just banned. I'm not gonna ban. Nah, I'm not gonna ban you. Nah, because I know you're
He's
joking.
definitely like, alright.
Nah, because he seems alright, so I'm not even gonna ban him. But it's just terrible banter. My whole chat is probably British as well, so I don't think it's a really good idea.